CASA in Bacolor, Pampanga. Conveniently located along Jose Abad Santos Road, this community offers luxury living with exceptional amenities and nearby conveniences. As you step inside, you're greeted by a spacious and inviting living area, perfect for family gatherings and relaxation. Next, we have the dining area and the modern kitchen. The kitchen comes fully equipped with a Burner Stovetop, Rangehood, and built-in cabinets in both the master bedroom and kitchen. These freebies add great value and convenience. The Olivia Model, a beautifully designed home with a lot area of 182 square meters and a floor area of 156 square meters. Now, let's head upstairs to explore the private quarters of the home. Another full toilet and bath on the second floor ensures convenience for all family members. The master bedroom is a true retreat, featuring a spacious layout, built-in cabinets, and a split-type AC unit for your comfort. Step out onto the balcony to enjoy the fresh air and serene views. It's a perfect spot for morning coffee or evening relaxation. The ensuite toilet and bath add a touch of luxury and privacy. The second bedroom is bright and airy, ideal for family members or guests. The design ensures comfort and functionality. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Olivia Model at SOLANA, CASA. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more house tour and real estate insights.